years old. Today I will show you about how to ants bite you. Ants are tiny insects with very fine in size, from minuscule to an inch long. That's pretty small. They have three main body parts. It's the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. All these were protected by an exoskeleton. With 6 legs, all insects have 6 legs. Butterflies have 6 legs because there's an insect. It's an insect. Ant is an insect, so it has 8 legs. 6 legs. They have 6 legs, not 8. Maybe ladybug has 6 legs too. So ants have 3 main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen, all protected by an exoskeleton. There's something in the ant, and it has 6 legs, 3 here and 3 here, and 2 antennae. Antennae is the thing that ants usually connect or find food or something like that. For sensing, so the antennae use is for sensing. Ants come in a variety of colors, including black, brown, and red. 3 of those colors are common colors that you often see. Red is like the fire ant. The fire ants might bite you, and it will really hurt. So be careful with fire ants and bull ants. Bull ant is a black ant. It's also scary too. Or it could also even have green or yellow. That's kind of weird. I've never seen a green or yellow ant before. I have seen a black and red ant. I also see an orange ant. Not really. In my bathroom, sometimes I see the black ant. But one of the most remarkable features of ants is their specialized mouth part called mandible, which they use for biting and chewing. Additionally, out of the 12,000 known species, approximately 71% of them have stingers. So stingers is the thing here. It's the thing on the bottom here. It could do it. It could sting you. So that's why it's called stingers. It could sting you. Stingers. These stingers are found only in female ants, particularly in queen and worker. While ants with only mandibles tend to grab onto the skin and exert pressure to bite down on the target. On the other hand, some ant species take it a step further by cutting open the skin. Then, from specialized glands present near the mandible or other parts of the body, they release irritants like formic acid, causing additional discomfort or pain. And if you think that's enough, wait until you meet ants with both powerful mandible and sharp stingers. So stinger is this one. It could be sharp or maybe not. Don't one of these ants get hold of its target and firmly grab the skin with pincers and arches its body to extend its abdomen toward the target, effectively deploying its stinger, which is a modified ovipositor located at the referendum, the abdomen. Then the ant penetrates the stingers into what? So penetrates, what does that even mean? The stinger into the grab skin and thrust it back and forth to reach nitrotocin venin. This venin contains various compounds that can cause pain gluten and sometimes allergic reaction in humans, which may require immediate medical attention. But why do ants bite us in the first place? Well, ants are very highly territorial creatures, and when they feel threatened by a large animal or a human intruder, they will bite as a form of defense. Additionally, ants will also bite if they mistake you for food or they feel trapped and unable to escape. So ants bite you because of some reason. Maybe they are They are territorial creatures, and they might think that you are an animal or something, and that you want to stomp on them, you want to kill them, so they will bite you for defense. Like when we see a stranger and he was not a good guy, he was a bad guy, maybe a kidnapper, so you will defend yourself. Maybe you go like you cough, you shout, or maybe you do something. So your defense. So the ants think that you want to stomp them or do something like that. So they will crawl on you, and they will bite you. So they could defend. So that is the answer to why do ants bite you. Thank you for listening to this again. Bye bye.